You've had some food and you've had a chance for it to settle in. What do you have to say for yourself?
Yo, I didn't believe it until Kevin said it with his hand on the Bible, you know? It sucks. I just picture it.
Well, I'm sorry, I guess I just have a hard time believing this. You say it sucks, but you're smiling now, Steve.
Nah, man. It's a smile of fear.
Fear of what? Fear of what exactly?
I just picture the dog, like, as a puppy, you know?
Yeah.
Like, the mom raised it.
Well, and the fact that you just ended its life,
Probably
right?
sacrificed it. Like, the mom probably sacrificed herself for this little
Poor
puppy.
dog. I mean, it was
So what do you think the mom of the dog is thinking right now?
I think she sacrificed herself a long time ago for the dog. Like, the dog just ate it, you know? Like, ate its mom.
What do you think about Brenda listening to our conversation right now?
It's kind of weird.
¿Qué? ¿No habla inglés? No sé. Yo no soy marinero. En tu nombre me llamo Eric Nelson. From France. Oui, oui. ¿Sí? ¿Cómo? ¿Cómo se dice? ¿Cómo se dice qué? ¿Cómo se dice? Oh, ¿cómo se dice qué? Oh, ¿cómo se dice Eric en español?
Eric?
Enrique? Enrique Iglesias? Balamos? Let the rhythm take you over, Balamos. ¿Sí? Ana? Ana, yo quiero Enrique Iglesias. Ana. Ana.